very proud of what we do in northern Wisconsin. We want to be that star of the north so that we can give our students everything that they need to be prepared to take that next step as they go on into their educational life post-high school.
Our original building was 1957. We've had remodel and additions in 71, 73, and 88, and 98. We have a boiler from our 57, original building, that wasn't as reliable, and we had no backup for it. It was standalone, servicing the building, so if it went down, we were in pretty serious trouble.
My first conversation with Greg Kopp was really about legislation and what opportunities the district may have to fund deferred maintenance projects in a unique way. And Greg, truthfully, he knew they needed a boiler.
When we found out about what we could do and all the things we could do with this program, it became apparent to us that it had to be a fairly significant project.
The first meeting with Jim, Dave, and Greg turned into about a 3-hour brainstorming session. There was a point in that conversation where I believe I looked at Jim and said, I'm interested. And what you're describing is something that I can be passionate about.
They spent months going through every part of the building, seeing what we had, and then recommending what would be the best bang for our buck.
Well, our philosophy in academia is to keep our students abreast with the cutting edge. We realize that this is going to be something that is going to really be a benefit of saving money. That's an economic item that we wanted our taxpayers to be aware of, but we wanted their children to know about that as well. Not only how it all works, but how can we be efficient in what we do?
I don't really see anything until there was drone footage of the top of the school, and the entire roof was just solar panels, solar panels, solar panels. A small school up here, you wouldn't expect to be taking leaps like that or to be thinking like that, but we are, and I think it's really awesome to be part of something like that, a school that's kind of getting ahead of other ones.
We used to have 3 systems to control the building. It was a full-time job just managing them all. Now with the single unit that we have is just wonderful because we can go to that right away, see everything that's going on in the building and address it from there.
Schneider Electric was absolutely incredible through this process, and that's not only my viewpoint, that was the viewpoint made by a number of our board members throughout the process.
We're doing our little bit to help the whole earth, I hope, and I think that's really important.